Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the Fall 2018 Clean Closet Challenge. This challenge is hosted by Heidi from Happily Thriving Heidi and Jessica from Casa Magnolia, and I will link both of their channels below in the description. Also, I will leave a link down below of the playlist of the Clean Closet Challenge, and you can see everyone else's challenge videos. So for this video, I decided to do my master closet. If you didn't know this already, we just moved into this house less than a month ago, so I still had a little bit of unpacking to do, but pretty much I had just thrown a lot of stuff into our master closet. And there were a lot of boxes and a lot of things that actually I was planning on donating or selling. So I hope that you get some decluttering and cleaning motivation. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And also, if you haven't already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of cleaning videos and mommy lifestyle and cooking and some DIYs. So if you like videos like that, then please subscribe to my channel. All right, I'm gonna let the music play now and just kind of chime in here and there. So I hope you enjoy.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind.
So these are the boxes and bags that I plan on selling and donating. I have a lot of kids' clothes and a lot of my old clothes. Also, there's some colorful clothes that are hanging up in the very back part of my closet, and those I plan on taking to a consignment shop within the next 2 weeks. So I don't have very many clothes, so if it looks like I have less clothes than my husband, it's because I do. So the reason that I do have less clothes than my husband is, first of all, I got rid of a lot of clothes over the past 3 years. And also I have what I guess you would call a capsule wardrobe. I actually have my summer capsule wardrobe that I will link above for you guys, and you can click on that and see. Also, I plan on posting my fall winter capsule wardrobe within the next 2 to 3 weeks.
Yeah, I'm on my way now.
And also, I wanted to let you guys know that on this day in particular, I actually posted a get ready with me. That's why my hair looks the same in this video as it did in the previous video, if you guys saw that. So I will link that video above as well.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
So this is my Hoover Cruise cordless vacuum, and I keep it upstairs, and I keep my Dyson downstairs because it seems to get dirtier downstairs because a lot of us wear our shoes on the main floor, and whenever we're walking upstairs on the carpet, then we most of the time don't have on shoes.
Just the way we are.
And here is the end result. So that's where I keep my purse and my tool bag, some miscellaneous Dollar Tree bins that actually were empty in that shot, but I ended up filling them up with some stuff later on. And this little hanger that I got from TJ Maxx. I really do like it, but it stunk really bad when I got it out of the package. So anyway, over here is my husband's side of the closet, and I just kind of moved around some stuff and put his hats in that little bin because he didn't really have a designated spot. And the floor looks a lot better. You can actually walk in there and get to the window without tripping. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to go check out Heidi's and Jessica's channels, as well as the playlist down below. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.